Hi everybody, it's Susan Phelps. You know, I usually start off my videos saying I'm Susan Phelps, your Berkshire Hathaway Florida Realty, new homes and relocation specialist in sunny Sarasota, Florida. But what makes me such a specialist? Well, I've got a perfect example for you. I've been watching a building site. I saw the sign, nothing happened for a month, and I've been doing the research, couldn't find anything. And the other day I drove by and they started building. Then I did my research and I found the community, and that's what I want to share with you in this video, a coming soon video. So I'll be right back while you like this video and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on anything that's coming up. I do these videos for you to show you, from my perspective, what is going on with new home developments in the area. And when I get ahead of the rush, I want to share that information with you as soon as I can. So I made this quick little video. Let me show you. It's just a construction site, but I was excited to see it. Hold on. So that's a video of the new construction process starting, and I've got some photographs that are from a similar community, very similar community that MI Homes has built in Tampa. So here are those photographs, and I'm sure it's going to look very much the same. I'm here to tell you that maybe you should take advantage of this pre-construction pricing. It's not unusual for builders to do that, but as soon as the models are done and the first couple of lots are sold, the prices go up. So they're offering 4 floor plans, and they range from a 2-bedroom, 3-bath, 1-car garage, and I said garage, which is quite unusual sometimes in townhomes. Those start at $279,990, and then it goes all the way up to a 3 to 4 bedroom, 3-bath, 2-car garage plan. 2-car garage plan starting at $349,990. So call me and we can Zoom and I can walk you through those virtual tours that they have, and it's just like walking through the house. Actually, it's such a cool process. This beautiful new community is situated directly off of University Parkway in the heart of Sarasota, nestled in between our award-winning beaches and UTC Mall. This is an incredibly highly desirable location. This area is also a hot spot for jobs, technology parks, engineering firms, and tons of other professional places to work are well within a short drive. You're less than 5 miles west from I-75, and you can walk to the movies, the supermarket, the local restaurants, in, a matter of minutes. All the local favorites are minutes from your door, including the UTC Mall, which is 4 miles up the road, the downtown Sarasota, which is a real hot spot for trendy new restaurants. That's 5 miles away. The Ringling Museum is only 3 miles away, and the SRQ Airport is only 2.5 miles away. Now, this community of new townhomes in Sarasota features maintenance-free townhomes in a gated enclave with a private cabana and pool. So if you're thinking of relocating from another area or moving within our area, this is a great opportunity to own or invest in a well-located new townhome community offered at an affordable price point for many buyers taking advantage of the low rates now and the favorable terms in today's real estate market in Sarasota, Florida. So until the next video, check out my website. I'm here for you, and I want to help you find your next best place. So call me and I can help you with that process. So until the next video, bye-bye.